This place is the Hope for Wildlife Rescue Center. There are lots of cool things to see and learn about here. Let's go check it out. If you love animals and nature, this is surely the right place for you. As soon as you arrive, there are learning opportunities. I was able to find a lot of information about animal characteristics, diets, and habitats. There's lots to read. However, the staff are even more helpful and overflowing with information. Right away, I was interested in the turtles. I learned that turtles are reptiles, which means they are cold-blooded and lay eggs. Their shells are very hard and smooth to protect them from predators. I also met an American kestrel bird named Norman that was adopted with a dislocated shoulder. After being mended many times, his wings sadly had to be amputated. But with the great care he receives here, he is doing very well. Some animals like Norman probably have to live here for the rest of their lives because they would not survive in the wild. Others come for a short while to receive the care that they need and are released again. This is absolutely not a zoo. It is a true rescue center. This is the rescue center's hospital. It has all sorts of equipment that the staff use to help the animals get better. Studying the animals also helps to see how they can aid them in better and even more ways. Next on our visit, we ventured outside. It didn't take long until the Pollinator Garden was in view. Pollinators are insects like bees, butterflies, and birds. They help to spread pollen from flower to flower. The cool thing is, the pollinators are so helpful, yet aren't even doing it on purpose. The pollen from one flower often gets stuck on their bodies and falls off at other flowers. This is how they help plants to grow. Isn't that cool? Meet Wren, the red fox. He came into the sanctuary with 2 broken legs and had to have surgery followed by lots of rest before he could practice walking again. A sad bit of information I learned about is that some animals like Wren are killed for their fur by poachers. This is known as illegal poaching, and it is extremely sad. Luckily, the animals here are safe, like Ariel here. She's a barn owl that arrived here with an injured wing that kept her from flying. Flying is essential for owls so that they can hunt and protect themselves. And here, we visited some extremely cute baby groundhogs. They are not injured, they were orphaned, so hopefully they'll be able to head out into the wild. Finally, you can see the fierce education animal. Beware, or you may learn a thing or two from her. Since 1997, the Hope for Wildlife Sanctuary has assisted over 50,000 wild animals with a variety of more than 250 species. They are happy to welcome visitors and are grateful for support and donations to help keep this great place going. I had a really fun time visiting this wildlife center, and if you have the chance, I think you should visit too. Thank you, Hope for Wildlife. Keep up the great work.